Hey everyone, in this video we're going to talk a little bit more about continue, and pretty much in the previous video we created this algorithm that's going to search a list for a particular word. In this case we search for Python, and every single time it finds it, it says we found Python. And that's generated from this statement right here. We found plus lang, which comes from the user input. If that word is found, then we continue to the next iteration. So in other words, we're either going to print this or we're going to print this. So instead of using the continue keyword, you may see the same structure using an if and an else. So I'm going to show you that variation. I'm going to get rid of the continue and I'm going to say else and indent this. So running this, we can still type in Python and we get the same exact result. If it's not Python, we get this result. If it is Python, it says we found Python. So personally, I think the continue keyword is a little bit more clear. However, the output in this situation is the same. That's because the continue pretty much says, hey, this case is special and we're going to go on to the next iteration. We're not going to do the rest. Whereas the else does pretty much the same thing. You know, if the if statement wasn't true, then we're going to execute this on all other cases. So it's just kind of like two ways of looking at the same thing. Personally, I like to use continue because it reduces the need for extra indentation, extra structure, which you would like to avoid that whenever possible. And another thing, this algorithm is checking for that word. However, if you don't need to do anything for if it's not found, you can just get rid of this altogether and then just print when it's found. So in this situation, if we say we are looking for Python, it's only going to say we found Python when Python is hit. We don't have to worry about all the other things inside of the list. So hopefully you're starting to see that, there's different variations. You can choose what you want to do, what looks best for you, and you can control what the program does by your code. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Next up, we're going to talk about another keyword in Python that is actually fairly new to me. So see you then.